Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Very excited to offer you guys a gorgeous restored DAS Gen 3 2002 Toyota 4Runner. This 4Runner came to us 100% bone stock, all original. Last year, the Gen 3, this is a factory sport edition. This truck came to us with an impeccable service history, every single service record available with just 119,000 miles. Came to us in a black factory color paint. It is now repainted top to bottom, inside out, door jambs in the factory green. When we painted this vehicle, we literally took off every single body panel, fenders, flares, bumpers, trim, mirror. The only thing that remained on the vehicle at time of painting it was the rear quarter and the roof. Everything was painted completely around the panels and then reassembled. Suspension wise, we went with a top of the line King full suspension system on it. Old Man Emu springs, coilovers, adjustable of course, reservoir rear shocks, upper control arms up front, anything related, ball joints, bushings, brand new BFG all-terrain KO2 tires. We'll get into the interior in a moment, but interior was completely gutted and redone top to bottom as well. Every square inch of metal or plastic that came with paint from the factory is repainted. Door jambs, very lengthy repaint on this. Door panels were removed, trim pieces were removed, weather stripping was all removed. There is not one speck of black paint anywhere on this. To do a color change of that magnitude, very time consuming. If you were to go to a high-end body shop and get a color change on the paint job on a vehicle like this, you're going to spend upwards of $10,000 to $11,000. Some would even charge more. After completing the full repaint, we then paint correct the existing top layer of clear coat. The reason we do that, even with any fine paint job, you're going to have little orange peel on the paint, little imperfections, and as you see, it is a completely mirror finish. There's no orange peel. Even something like this front bumper, every single portion of the bumper, from the valance, the light bezels, the top pad, all of those were completely removed from one another, painted separately. You will find 0 tape lines on this vehicle. All the trim, when it went back together, all the trim is all brand new. The clips for all of the flares, side steps, everything like that is also brand new. Gorgeous bronze wheels. We do have all the emblems. We obviously blacked out the Toyota ones. We'll leave that up to the new owner as to if you want us to black out and install the other ones. On a lot of repaints like this, our clients do not want the badges back on. It's nice and clean without them, so we'll leave it like that for now. Inside was a huge undertaking as well. It was completely gutted when the seats, carpet, center console, and trim was all removed. We dyno-matted the entire floor pan. We put brand new carpet top to bottom. This has extra backing behind it and insulation, so it's a very thick carpet. We then installed our DAS leather seats, and doing these seats in leather, we rebuild all 4 bolsters on each seat. So the seats are very snug, form-fitting to your lower and back area. Also have dual heated seats. One nice thing about our conversion on this is a factory sport. The factory sport does not come with leather. We went with a rich deep brown. Your heated buttons right there. We also did a lot of other work in the interior as well. Interior is as new as you're gonna get in one of these 4Runners. Service wise, we went through this entire truck front to back, inside out. I'm not going to be able to rattle off every single service that we did. However, it will be on the website, davisautosports.com. I'll go through some of the major services that we did. Brand new timing belt, water pump, idler pulley, tensioner, radiator, all ignition, plugs, wires. Went through the entire braking system. Every seal and gasket is also new. Front differential fully serviced, transmission fully serviced, transfer case fully serviced, rear differential fully serviced. There's not one service that this truck needs now or is showing that it will need in the near future. This is not something that we just sort of glanced over. We went through this entire 4Runner and we did a lot of things that didn't even need to get done, but being that we went to this level, we replaced and serviced many items that didn't even necessarily need them. So keep in mind that is a fully adjustable front coilover on this. Brand new exhaust system as well. There are many things on this truck that you guys need to take a look at the listing to see in full exactly what we did. But I really can't stress enough the amount of detail that went into the paint to do a full color change like this the right way. It is a ton of time, about triple the time of a normal repaint. Any coloration variance you see in the carpet, that's just the way my recon guys brushed it and everything else. Carpet is brand new. It's 100% stain free. This is leather. This is not vinyl. And these bolsters are nice and rebuilt, very thick. Dual heated seats. We did go with a slightly darker brown than what the 4Runner offers as a leather, just to give it a more of a custom look and also a richer, more classier look. The deeper brown really gives it a nice look. So also want to let you guys know too, when this 4Runner came in, it was obviously in phenomenal condition. We have a ton of pictures of it in its original condition. Every single body panel is original. It was not in an accident. There's zero previous paint work before we repainted it. There's zero Bondo on the truck. We have a lot of pictures of it just the way it came in. If you guys have any questions about this 4Runner, please feel free to contact us directly at 855-955-3377. You can also email me directly, jd@davisautosports.com. Thank you.